Hello fellow traders, this is another video of the series. Today we will discuss about how to succeed in trading. Remember, there is no holy grail in trading. There is no method or strategy like the philosopher's stone. Trading is not for everyone, and keep that also in mind. So, first things first. Not only don't build unrealistic expectations, but don't build expectations at all. You won't get rich in a day, or in a week, or in a month. I have mentioned that many times. There are many gurus out there that claim that can beat the market, and they are willing to teach you how to do it. Well, make a question to yourself: why on earth someone is willing to teach you his method and not keep it for himself? And this also applies to me. I'm not giving you the way that I trade. I'm giving you useful information on what to avoid and what to keep. The purposes of this series of videos is to create your own strategy and not follow some fancy gurus with diagrams and fake performance that are willing to take your money and teach you how you can do it. I mean, if you check the antithesis here, I mean, they will teach you how you can make money. So they already know how to do it, and they are willing to teach to you also. And remember, it's a zero-sum game. There must be a loser for every winner out there. So statistically, the probabilities are against you. So officially, in most disclaimers, you will see that these are high-risk products, and they are. They include high leverage. I have already covered what is leverage in one of my videos. You can go and check. And most of the traders are losing traders. The percentage is close to 95%, and this doesn't mean that the other 5% is a winner. Many of them are struggling to be slightly profitable. So there is no database to confirm this, unfortunately, but in most of the cases, and by my experience, I would like to say that most of the traders are losing. So consider that before start trading, and also before start to visit any guru that will take your money. And also, it doesn't have to do with the background, because people with zero background manage to be successful in trading, and the opposite, people with strong financial background were not able to become profitable and successful. Now, let's try to avoid these things and these kind of charts that they have just plotted several indicators and MACD and RSI and moving averages and some stochastic and some Hankenashi and whatever, that they are completely meaningless, and not only they cannot help you, but they will make your trading plan even worse. So try to avoid this kind of charts, and let's jump into what you will basically need to succeed. You need discipline. You need discipline and focus to stay to your plan. Don't go to the other side, because many times you might need to change some things that doesn't work in your strategy, and you need to be agile. Also, you have to keep discipline and have some strict rules while you are trading. You need to be patient. Trading is all about patience and execution your trade at the right time. Strike the market when the market is weak, and to do that you need to be patient. Be confident with your plan. Of course, this will come in time. I mean, the more profitable your plan becomes, the more confident you will be in executing your trades. So you need to execute your trades without hesitation. You need to have strong analytical skills and critical thinking. Um, at this point, I will exclude mathematical thinking here. Uh, for sure, you will need to combine information with numbers, and eventually this will help you to determine the outcome of your trade and your trading strategy, your skills, and so on. So yes, mathematics are important, but only in just be able to uh, understand the simple, the fundamental ways that will help you, and you need to keep what is helpful for you. You will need analytical skills because you will need to analyze and combine information, and all this information must come into a way that will give you an outcome. So this will determine if you will execute a trade or not. You need to be creative. So put in your mind that creativity it's very hard to achieve, and it will come at a point of much experience and trading and research and all these things that will allow you to be creative. You need to learn some indicators, how to apply them, how to plot them in the chart, how to make some adjustments, what to use and what not to use, and you need to play a lot. So creativity, and it's something that is really important. uh, Combine that with a research skills, because many times you have to make research by your own. You might hear information about this market will be bullish or bearish, or many other information that are not exactly what they are make you think that they are. They are not precise, and they are trying to manipulate the market. So you need a research skill at this point. So you will be able to understand that is this the kind of information that I need? Is this just an opinion, or we have tangible evidence? There are numbers that can support this prediction. Uh, One of the most important part in trading, keep a record. Keep a record of everything. I have covered that in my other videos in trading the basics. There are applications out there that will offer you this this ability, let's say, to track and have a record of all of your trades, because this will allow you to change and make adjustments whenever you need. Adjust your risk reward ratio, adjust your profits. I won't repeat myself, I have already covered that in some other videos, and you can check them. Now we will focus on what you need to succeed in trading. Identify your market. There are several markets out there that you can start trading, and many opportunities. The more knowledge you have in a field, the better is to start with this market. So as you are start getting to the process, you will start to identify what suits you the best. What is the market that you think, or you might also have some experience, some knowledge, some information. You might also work in the relevant field. So what is the product that you will choose? And it's something that it might be the more familiar to you, the closest to you. So it will be commodities, shares, ETFs, forex, indexes. You might consider going into some emerging markets, some new markets like cryptocurrency. So what is the market, and how to identify your market? This is a very important part. So I will cover that in future videos, because for every market there is a different tool. There are some major categories in trading, and there are many points that you will need a specialization. I will gather some interviews in this channel, and I will perform with some people that manage to succeed in the industry of trading. Uh, they have a specialization in several markets like commodities or indexes, and I will take an interview from them so you can have a better insight. So stay tuned to this channel. You need to start with the market that you are closest to it. You are most relevant, let's say. You have more information. Do not try something that is completely new. Try something that you have some information. If you don't know anything about it, the hardest it will be to find and identify your market. Trading is not for everyone. I have said that many times, several times, and I will keep saying that. You need to start practice. You need to do a lot of research, and the most important thing um, that you need to start is by opening an account. Now let's see that how you will choose your broker, how you will open an account. You are ready, you have done your research, you think you can succeed in the industry. uh, Check my videos. Probably you will not. The chances are against you, but try to keep patient and focused, and keep all this information that I have give you in all of my videos. So the first thing, when you are choosing a broker, if the broker is regulated. So most of the times brokers also give access to products like forex, because they are high leveraged and they are more risky. You have to pay attention. A forex broker needs to be regulated. Unregulated brokers might give you better fees or better spreads, if you can check them, but they won't be able to guarantee your capital back because they are not regulated. So the most important part is to choose a broker that is regulated. uh, Check forex reputation. Check on the web how this broker is known to the web. What is the history, the problems, what is this broker known for? For example, I'm using several brokers, and some of them provide me much better fees in executing, let's say, one-off trades, but some others do not take me any fees. They are just charging me more spreads. So this depends on how you will decide, and you have to make your own research to find a broker with a good reputation. Good reputation and a forex regulated broker will give you a forex safety and a forex fund insurance. You are sure that you will be able to get your money back, that you will be able to withdraw your money at any point. So pay attention to the fees, the withdraw fees, and all these kinds of details. And does this broker is allowed in your country? I have stated many times that forex and forex products are high leveraged and high risky. So in many countries you are not allowed either to withdraw or to deposit any money. So make sure that this broker is allowed it to your country. Forex broker capital is also important. You won't have these kind of issues, you won't have these kind of problems, because when a forex broker is regulated and it is allowed in your country, then you won't have any problems with trading, with withdrawals, how to deposit money, and also you have to pay attention on what they charge. There are brokers, we will discuss that in some other videos, that are taking the opposite trades. They are playing against you. Of course, this is not something that you can easily understand and identify. It's something that you have to search for it. I will cover this subject in one of my future videos, and this is also very important part on how to choose your broker. Unlock your mind setup. Trading requires to unlock that state of mind. Trading is very lonely path. When you are executing a trade, it is only you and the market. There are a lot of fails behind any success story. The psychological pressure is so huge in trading that many people cannot stand it in the beginning. But if you follow my advices and if you check my videos, you won't have any problem with that. Don't have any expectations in the beginning. See it like a hobby. Start with a demo. Lose only amounts you are willing to lose. Track your strategy. Keep your plan simple. Don't easy trust all these gurus in trading. Always ask for account history before giving your money to any one of these people without any proven performance. So I hope you enjoy the video and I hope you to see you in the future.